All right, the card for today is Brazen. This is, Satira, and it means brazen. I'm sorry. Satira, and it means brazen. So this card is about standing up for yourself, going for what it is that you know, knowing that you are divinely partnered. You are partnered with the divine. It's your time. Anything that it was said to come against you is being stopped in its tracks. It's not going to be able to even connect with you. It's time to step up, stand forward, be bold, be brazen, be unapologetically you. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.